So both Mac on our rider and I bought fucking pit bikes. This is my little fleet right here, and I added that thing. This is a bike I bought to learn how to wheelie on. I definitely exceed the weight limit on it. We're just kind of out dicking around right now, having a good old time. Jerry, the dog. All right, I'm gonna put gloves on, just fucking case. Short sleeve shirt, but gloves, you know, trifecta right there. Damn, a bird really shit on my seat too. Yeah, there he goes. I'm gonna cut through here between the Road King and the CBR and whip around and see what she'll do. We literally just bought these today. Impulse buy of the century right here. I am way too big for this bike. All right, it's fucking 4 up. Okay, let's see here. Let me get it forward a little bit. The clutch is kind of dog shit on it right now. I'm being real. I haven't rode a dirt bike in so damn long. And I've had some beer today, so we're drunk riding a little bit. I'm kidding, we're not. Come on, motherfucker. I almost fucking ate shit right there. Woo! This bike is stupid fun. It's a little 125 SSR. This thing is a fucking riot to ride, man. See if I'm back in first or not. Yep, I'm back in first. Okay. Woo! Said I exceeded this weight limit on this damn bike so much, but I couldn't beat $1,000, you know. Alright, let's fucking creep through here. I will say my ass cheeks do not like this bike at all. Whew! Coast down a little bit. That's how I used to ride my dirt bikes, just coast downhill and shit. Oh damn, we just died. Oh, that sucks. Neutral, kicker. Uh-oh. Okay, let's fucking try this again. Ah, fuck you. There we go. Atta girl. I feel like a monkey humping a football. Woo! I am 6'3" on this fucking 125, by the way. Fuck yeah. I love this thing. Dude, I almost ate shit twice on that fucking thing coming up the hill, then down the hill. This bike is so much fucking fun though, like it's dumb fun. Slow down. Just slow down in the sand a little bit. Oh, I got you. Okay. You might fucking watch me go down, bro. How'd that look? Hi, Jerry. Bye, Jerry. I love that, like, this whole fucking video I've been watching, like, or going by Harleys and shit, and I'm out on a fucking, like, $1,000 125 fucking it up. I stayed upright, we're good. Fucking caught the shit out of the back of my ankle though, fuck. I got you. I'm not as good as you are at it, but alright, let me fucking run around here for a second. Thing's getting broken the right way. This is such a goofy fucking purchase, bro. No. Got you. Let me aim up the hill a little bit though, so I'm not in the driveway. Don't wheelie it? I haven't been wheeling it at all. You ready? And she's still running! Let's go! That's fucking great. Holy shit. I hit 12 o'clock, boys! That's the new profile picture of me fucking dropping this bitch. Oh, that's fucking hilarious, dude. I didn't think she'd come up like that. So for the sake of the YouTube video I'm making, that's why I don't practice on these fucking things. That's why I'm practicing on that. I haven't even got this bike out of second gear yet. We're just out here fucking new boot goofing, man. Okay. Just so much fun. Oh. My Cardo's dead right now, so.
Oh, I threw this disconnected, like, oh, not that far away.
Right. I can tell I'm used to riding nothing like this at all. Fucking hell. What the fuck is a foot brake? Woo! Oh, you fucker. Alright, truck wasn't all the way off apparently. Damn it. All the way off. There we go. Jerry, look out! I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.